Hi guys, welcome back to Meta Box tutorials. Today, we're going to create a team member page using Meta Box and Elementor. It will display all information about each member like this. As you can see, each member's information will be included in a box. We'll need a post type for team members, and all information about each member will be saved in a post. Name and image of the member are the titles and the featured images of the post. And other information such as position, Facebook, Instagram, and mail will be saved in different custom fields. Let's see which tools we need for this practice. To do it, we need Elementor first. Here, I use Elementor Pro, which has native integration with MetaBox. I also installed Elementor Custom Skin to have loop to display the listings of posts. Besides, we'll use MetaBox and its extension as well. So, I have MetaBox to create custom fields easily. It's free and available on WordPress.org. Because we also need some extensions from MetaBox to have advanced features, you can install them individually or just use MetaBox AIO as I'm using. The first extension is MetaBox Admin Columns to display custom fields in table columns in admin screens for all posts. We'll also need MB Custom Post Type and Custom Taxonomies to create custom post types. The next one is MetaBox Builder to have an intuitive UI to create custom fields in the backend. Finally, MetaBox Elementor Integrator to connect and display custom fields created by the MetaBox plugin in the Elementor's dynamic tags. That's all the tools we need for this tutorial. We'll need a post type for team members. I go to MetaBox and create a new post type. Then, in the menu, you will see a new post type here. Since I want to save all the information such as position, Facebook, Instagram, and mail in different custom fields, we'll create custom fields. Go to Custom Fields to add new fields. For the position field, it's a select field. Fill in the choice box with several options. Here, I just get the label of the field, so I just fill the label for each option. In the event that you want to set both the value and label of options, just follow this guide. If you want to display the custom field's value in the admin columns like this, tick this box. However, this is just an optional part, so if you want to have this part like this, you need MB admin columns. You need to set up the position for the column. Without setting it up, the column won't display. This is the default setting of this part. In the event you want to set different positions for any column you want, just change the position here. Since I want to keep this setting, so I just fill in the name of the column. For other fields such as Facebook, Instagram, and mail, we set them as URL field. After that, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type and select Team Member to apply these fields to this post type. Publish and you will see the custom fields you created when creating a new post in Team Member. Just fill in the information and set the featured image and title for the post as usual. Here are all the posts that I created. Go to this menu to create a new template. Since they are a list of posts, we should choose the template as a loop. To get the post from the team member to have a visual preview, go to the preview settings. Choose this post type from the list. If you don't want to see all the posts displayed on the preview screen to avoid being messy, just choose only one as I'm doing. Then only the selected post will be displayed. Add a widget to create the name card. As I've shown at the beginning of the video, each name card of a member has two columns. One is to display the image and social icons, and another one is to show the member information. So I chose this structure. Name the CSS class for styling this name card later. In the first column, to have the avatar saved in the featured image of the post, add the featured image element. I'm changing the size of the image to the thumbnail size. For the social contacts, they have the same style, so I'll add them into a section that will help to style all the icons at once. So I choose Inner Section. It has two columns but we have three icons, so add an extra column. Drag an icon element to the section. Choose the wanted icon. The first one is Facebook. I save the link to the member's Facebook profile in a custom field created by Meta Box. So, to automatically embed the link from the field into the icon, we use the Dynamic Tags button here. Then, choose the Meta Box field option in the Post section. Now you will see the list of custom fields created by Meta Box to choose from. Just choose one, and then, the link that you input to the corresponding field will be obtained. For other social contacts such as Instagram and Mail, do the same. That's all for the first columns. The second column includes the member's name, position, and description. Because the name of each member is the post title, I will get the post title and drag it to the second column. The position of each member also is saved in a custom field. It's just text, so I add a text editor element. Then also connect it to the corresponding field. Click the Dynamic Tags icon, Meta Box field, then find the position field. The description about each member is saved in the post content, so drag this element into the second column. Now, all the information about team members has been obtained. Next, let's style this name card. I will rescale the width for each column. Depending on the style you want, you can change it on your own. Then, I will change the size and color of social icons to make them more attractive. For the second column, to make it simple and clear, I just send them to the center and change their color. Then, I will style with some borders for the name card and avatar. You can style each element on your own. Here is my example. That's what I want now. Create a new page to show the team member information or just edit an existing one. Then edit the page with Elementor. Because each member is a post, just drag the posts element to the page. There is this setting because I've installed the Elementor custom skin plugin already. This is used to get the template created in the previous step. Set it as custom. Then this box will show you the list of pre-made templates. Just choose one we created for the team member's name card. Change this number to choose how many name cards you want to show in a page. This number is to show all the members in a page only. As you can see here, the name card has the style as the template we set, but the member's information has not been obtained yet. Go to the query section. Choose the source as the team member to get information from the posts in that post type. The preview will immediately show the information we want. You can change the order of name cards, add CSS class for the styling purpose in the next step, as well as change the margin to set the spacing between the name cards. You can skip this step if you see the display of this page reasonably. In my case, I want to change the spacing between each line of information, so I add some CSS code here. I see it's better now. That's the end of today's practice. Remember to like, share, and subscribe us for more upcoming tutorials. Bye.